Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix TikTok not working in iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings, click on VPN, and if you have connected any VPN, then disable VPN, and after that the TikTok will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then check your internet connection. So to check internet connection, open any browser and from there check if your internet is working properly or not. So now you can see the internet is working properly. So if your internet is not working, then first of all fix your internet, and after that open App Store and then search TikTok. Now from here check if the TikTok app is updated to latest version or not. So if your TikTok app is not updated, then first of all update your app, and after updating the app will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then open settings again. Now click on general and then click on software update. Now from here check if your iPhone is updated to latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated, then first of all update your iPhone, and after updating restart your iPhone. So to restart, press the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.